In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply jobs on LinkedIn. Once you open your LinkedIn app, select at the bottom right the word job. In here, you have to click the search jobs. In here, you will see a lot of jobs available on what country you are staying in. Like me, I live in the Philippines. So, it's important to filter your job applications. The filter button will help you narrow down our options even further. I will show you an example on how you will filter your applications. So first, you can tell to LinkedIn in what level of positions you are looking for. If you want to know the latest job post, you can choose it here. In here, if you want, you can even select your target companies. In here, you can select what type of job do you want. Is it a full-time or a part-time job? In here, you can select if you are looking for on-site job or hybrid job, whatever you like. So these are the example on how you will filter your job application, so it will help you narrow down our options even further. You must remember that your job applications are more likely to lead to interviews if you apply for jobs that are very close match to your skills, experience, and requirements. This is why it's important to filter your search results. And then the last step, you can turn on the job alert on the bottom right. Here, whenever a new role matching your criteria becomes available, you'll be notified. This is an essential part of keeping on top of your job search. So there you have it. You can now begin applying for jobs on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.